I like
Like
your painting behind you.
that is not painting. That is someone fake painting it.
Oh,
Like
fake
it's
painting it.
machine painting.
Oh, machine painting. Okay. It's not a real painting. It's like a
Yes,
machine
it's
fake painting.
fake. Yes, yes.
Got you. I don't know. Mustn't translate that one, buddy. Okay, so wait a minute. I think I know what you want to say. No, this painting wasn't done by a person. This painting was just manufactured.
Yes, yes. Like this is a paper. It's not a painting.
It was manufactured. It was printed. It wasn't done by hand.
Yes, yes.
Cool.
What else you know about China?
Good question.
Good question means let me think for a long time.
No, I'm just trying to figure out how to phrase this. I did not know that pig brain was a choice of food there. That was
Pig
very
brain.
interesting. Yeah, pig
Yeah, like
brain.
Chinese people eat a lot of things.
I went out for dinner with my students in
Yes.
Beijing when I lived there, and they were so respectful and so kind. I told them my dietary restrictions. I told them what I'm restricted from, what I can't eat. But as
Yes.
soon as I finished, they did it after I left. But like as I was leaving, I saw them and I was like really surprised.
Like Arabic think pork is not clean.
That wasn't the part that surprised me the most, but it was the fact that it was a brain. Maybe there's some secret health benefit I don't know about when it comes to eating that.
I don't know either. I never see anyone eating this.
Gotcha,
Like
gotcha.